Cald.AI. In this quick demo, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up an AI phone calling agent that can speak in your own voice through the Cald platform. So, I guess let's dive straight into it. So, the first step is to go to our platform and to actually set up a custom voice. So by default, you already see lots of kind of default voices that we already have in the platform. They're already preset over there and optimized for specific circumstances that you can just, go ahead and start using. For example, we have special voices for sales and other circumstances and a bunch of languages. But yeah, if you want to have a custom voice, which means have the AI speak in your own language, you gotta upload a sample recording of your own voice. And so you can pretty much just record your own voice with any other third-party tool. Just have a recording and upload it over here. Then you can give your voice a name. So, for example, I can call it the Francois cloned voice demo. I actually upload that. Now, once that's done, the awesome thing is that I will actually be able to see my voice over here. My cloned voice will actually appear. And then what I can actually do is I can actually go in one of my agents that I've created on the platform and actually use this voice instead, as it will appear in the list. So let's say I'm going to use this voice right now, and I can immediately start doing a phone call to my own phone number and start testing it out. So, for example, this is an example of how it's going to sound like, and you can actually be able to hear that the AI will now be talking in my own voice, basically. So the call should be coming in pretty shortly. Oh yeah, it's already here.
Is this Francois?
Yes, this is Francois, correct.
I understand. Thanks for taking my call.
This is amazing. You're perfectly mimicking my accent. It's pretty realistic.
Thank you. I'm designed to
It
sound as
sounds
human-like as
really
possible.
it sounds really like me actually. It's pretty
Yes,
interesting.
thank you. I'm glad you find it interesting. Mate,
Yes?
so can I have a few moments to tell you about the capabilities I can offer?
Sure, go ahead. Talk to me more about your product.
I'd be happy to. Well, here's an overview of some of the key features and use cases of our AI-powered conversational agent, who provide AI-powered phone calling capabilities for both outbound and inbound calls.
Awesome. This sounds great.
Our agents. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Wow.
you.
This is quite impressive. AI being able
If you
to
have any
talk in my
questions
own
or have
voice,
anything
I really
you'd
like
like
it.
to know or discuss about our product,
So
feel free to.
I kind of hope that this gives you an overview of how you can go out there and just basically set up Cald.AI to talk into your own voice. It's actually really really powerful. Aside from this, I actually played around and some of my friends and actually couldn't believe for like a minute long they thought it was actually me talking and they were really confused like what was I saying and what was going on. But it shows that this is actually really really powerful technology where you can really kind of get an extremely personalized interaction with your prospects, especially if you're doing something like outbound calls, for example. Then you can massively benefit from this because if you then have to do a real call as a human call, you with the prospect, then actually the prospect will be able to remember the voice of the AI and match that to your voice for an even more personalized interaction. So I hope you'll be able to leverage that in your AI conversational agents, and I can't wait for you to start playing around with our platform. If you've got any questions or any more support, you can always check out the other videos on this channel or simply shoot us up an email at support@Cald.AI or reach out on the Discord. Thanks and take care.